Do you ever get a taste for anything? Well, I have. I have a taste for fig. Little figgy babies. But dried ones are really ugh. So I'm going to make some fig jam. I'm not going to can it. This is going to be 1 jar for the fridge. And it's just a little jelly jar, if I could get my tripod to work. And this bottle here with lights has absolutely nothing to do with the recipe. It's just the latest of Dagny's doing something. Okay, but we are gonna make some fig jelly jam out of those ugly little suckers. Stay tuned. I'm going to cut these up, not into tiny pieces, and they're tough, let me tell you. Not into tiny pieces, but just enough that I can put them in some hot water on the stove and bring to a boil. To rehydrate them. Now, I ate one of these the other day. Talk about desperate, huh? And it was actually really good. So I'm going to get my jelly jar filled and look up a recipe, I hope, or see what I feel like, and I'll be back. So you can see I've chopped ample, is that a heaping jelly jar of dried figs. Got my trusty little pan, gonna put those together and add water. Okay, as for the recipe, first of all, do not burn your figs while you're trying to rehydrate them. I did. But anyway, it still smells fragrant. Dagny even said it smelled good, and she doesn't like figs. And it's gonna take some ginger. I don't want to use powdered, so I'll grind it up. Some sugar, cinnamon, lemon juice, triple sec, chia seeds. But I've already ground my nut because Dagny doesn't like them whole. Okay, now I'm going to put the recipe in the description box. Well, my camera battery and charger and everything decided to go AWOL. So I have to show you this again. That this jam is really nice. Can you see that? Dagny doesn't like figs, but I'll tell you what, she wouldn't miss a second chance to get a taste of this. So, take the spoon, please. There you have it. And that's what I have left over. So what started out in that little jar made a smidgen over a pint, because I forgot I was working with dehydrated figs. And I rehydrated them, and guess what? They plumped up. Now, even though I put this through the Vitamix, it did not break down the fig seeds. So you still get a nice crunch when you chew down on it. Anyway, I'll put the recipe in the description box below. I just made 1 jar. It's going in the fridge because I didn't feel like figuring out how to can dried figs. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed.